I have a small problem. It seems like these two, the flower horn and the blood parrot, are actually, not at the moment, prove me wrong, but there we go. They appear to be in some sort of quarrel, which I'm hoping gets settled soon, or I'll have to move one of them. Especially because I don't want to lose my new flower horn. And I think that's what it is. He's been in the tank for a couple of days, so he's technically still new. I'm hoping it's just, territorial type shit. It seems like the blood parrot's the aggressor too. Big guy, put that down. Go to. You alright, fella? Yeah, gotta keep a close eye on that. There he goes, he's stalking. If anybody has any suggestions, ideas, let moi know. Peace out, guys.